I am Phạm Thanh Lâm from 7A5 ABT Primary and Secondary School, Hanoi, Vietnam. I am very delighted to join 2020 IPRC online. Now I will talk to you about my annual Thanos robot. The reason I chose it is because I love robots and animals, and the robot is very huge and strong, and as you can see, it's a mouth with a lot of sharp teeth, an eye, two big wings, and 2 legs. And I use 3 servos, 2 servos using on the wings, and 1 servo using on the mouth, and 2 legs using for the eyes. When I touch the sensors on the small wing here, it will open the bone wing and mouth and make the leg turn on. But when I touch the sensors on the big wing, it will only turn the wings on the each side and only turn on the legs. Now I will show you the coding, and you can see here I use Y to keep the work command running forever, and servo 1, 2, 3 to keep the robot in the current position. And on the port 1 here, it will turn only the wing on the port 2 and turn on the leg, and after half a second it will turn on the leg. And on the port 2 it will turn on the wing and open the mouth on the port 3. And to turn on the leg, and half second it will turn on the leg again. And the port 3 is the same as the port 2, and the port 5 and port 4 is the same as the port 2 and port 1. Now I will show you how the robot works. Thank you for listening. If you like this presentation, please like and share. And if you have any suggestion, you can post it on my YouTube video. Thank you for listening and watching.